square root of 72 plus square root of 72 plus square root of 72 and so on infinity. Find the this value. These problems are like it RRB and banking exams arithmetic problems, easy and solve in 1 or 2 seconds. Once again observe 72 72 72 72 is factors, consecutive factors, product of consecutive products. So 72 236 ja 172 ja 89 ja. Once again observe 236 72. This is 72 72. So product of consecutive numbers. So 8 and 9. You take 8 and 9. 8 9 ja 72. Here once again observe this is plus. So you take big value, big factor. This is answer. So 72 plus root 72 plus root 72 and so on infinity equal 9. Same another problem. 72 minus root 72 minus root 72 and so on infinity. Same as it is 72 equal to consecutive product of consecutive factors. 8 9 72. Here minus. So you take small factor. Small. So final answer equal to 8. So another example, square root of 30 plus root 30 plus square root 30 and so on infinity. 30 consecutive product of factors, consecutive factors 30 5 6 30. So observe here plus you take big factor. So this is answer equal to 6. Square root of 90 minus square root of 90 minus square root of 90 and so on infinity. 90 equal 9 10 ja. Here minus, so you take small factor. So answer is 9. Another model, square root of 3 square root of 3 square root 3 and so on. This values is equal all product 3 root 3 root 3 root 3. So equal 3. Square root 7 square root 7 square root 7 and so on infinity. So 7.